Hey guys, it is a very foggy morning here in the Great Smoky Mountains. I know this is the same view I have shown you many times. It's not that I'm not getting out of the cabin, I am. It's just, this is the early morning fog, and I mean, I absolutely love it. It's kind of misty this morning, not bad, but, and it's not terribly bad cold. A little bit cool, but, I just wanted to stand out here for a minute and just say thank you so much for giving me this time this week. And yes, you gave it to me, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have been able to come up here and spend a few days with my kids and with my friends and just relax and recoup and heal. My jaw is absolutely feeling so much better. It is amazing that what some rest and relaxation has done, and I appreciate you guys so much. You'll never know what you mean to me. You will never know what you have done for me and my family, and I mean, you're just amazing. You guys are the reason that I continue to do YouTube videos. I would have probably quit a long time ago if it hadn't been for you. Have so many comments that inspire me and give me inspiration, and uplifting comments that just are amazing, that keeps me going day after day after day. You know, after Whit passed away, you guys were the ones who brought me through. My kids were there, of course, but they were hurting too, so I couldn't lay things on them, but I could definitely tell you guys what was going on, and you would send me messages and send me cards and all kinds of inspiration. So I appreciate you so much, more than you'll ever know, more than I could ever tell you. And I just wanted you to know that I love you. I wish all of you were up here with me. We could have a fantastic time. And I guess you saw that the video that I shared yesterday that had that big long table in the dining room. Wouldn't that be a fantastic crafting space? We might have to see if we can rent this cabin and do a some sort of retreat maybe one day. We can talk about that and see what we can do. It will sleep many people, so we could talk about doing that and just getting a few people together and coming up here and just having some fun and spending some time all day and all night crafting. Wouldn't that be fun? But again, not a lot to show you this morning. The same mountains, same fog, same scene, but I mean, I love it. I don't mind looking at this every day. That'd be fine with me. But I wanted to tell you guys thank you and just drop in and let you know how much I appreciate you, and to say thank you for letting me have this time and just continuing to support my channel and me and my family. It's amazing. You guys are amazing. Y'all are the best subscribers that there are out there on YouTube anywhere. I can tell you that. All right, I'm going to sign off, and we will talk to you probably again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Love you.